Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time let's check on the battery charging speed of this Pixel 4a. I'm using this, going to use this 18-watt charger that we get inside the box. So we'll see that how long will it take to, charge it fully. Okay, so before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos. And if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. So guys, you can see that it is totally drained. So let's start the charging and let's start this stopwatch so that we can keep track of the time, and we'll see that how long will it take to, get fully charged using this stock charger. Okay, 18-watt charger. So I'll be back after 15 minutes. So guys, we have just completed 15 minutes. Now let's check the battery level. It is at 24%. So now let's turn this on. And after that, we'll be waiting for another 15 minutes. So in 30 minutes, we'll be checking on the, the battery percentage again. Okay, see you in 30 minutes now. So guys, we have just completed 30 minutes. Now let's see that what is the battery level here. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, you can see that it is at 39. Let me show you this. Yeah, so you can see that it is at 39% after 30 minutes. So let's wait for another 30 minutes. So in 1 hour, what will be the battery percentage? We'll be checking on that. See you at 60 minutes. Okay, so just another 30 minutes. So guys, we have just completed 1 hour, and let's see that what is the battery percentage here. Here you can see that it is 71%. So in 1 hour, you can reach up to 71%. Now, one thing I would like to tell you here is that I have actually completed, I had drained the battery totally, right? Now, if the battery is not drained to zero, now this may increase, okay? The percentage may increase in 60 minutes, okay? There can be a difference of, I think, 10 to 15%, okay? So let's wait now, and we'll be back in just another 30 minutes, okay? Guys, in 1 hour 39 minutes we have reached 99%. So let's wait for a few more seconds or minutes till we reach 100%. Okay, so guys, you can see that it has been completed, fully charged. So it took 1 hour 42 minutes. Okay, so in 1 hour 42 minutes, let me do one thing. Just give me a second here. Okay, so in 1 hour 42 minutes, we have completed the charge. So according to me, if the battery is not totally drained to zero, it can charge the device fully in just 130 or 120 minutes according to me. So guys, that's it in this video. Now the next test will be how long will it last? Will it last for a full day? We'll be checking on that as well. Okay, so till the next video, wait and do subscribe if you ended up liking my videos, and to watch more videos on this device, do subscribe and do share your comments. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers.